Hello guys, I'm Jave, and I welcome you to my channel where I make videos about how to make money online without any investment. I want to take this chance to thank you all for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button and let's jump in. First of all, let's head to Faucetpay.io to copy our Litecoin address. If you don't have one, I would put link in description below. Click on deposit and scroll down to Litecoin. Click on it and copy the address because we will be using it in a few. Now let's head to ltcminer.com to sign up for our new mining account. Don't worry, I will put link in description below. This is the website I'm going to be talking about today. You can scroll through the page. It looks promising already. So without wasting much time, let's paste our copied LTC address. After pasting the address, click on Start Mining. Remember, this is completely autopilot. You don't have to do anything except to wait and be patient. After clicking, this will show up. Check the I'm not a robot box and click on Start Mining to continue. There are also packages which I will be talking about shortly that can also increase your income. Your account should look like these. As you can see, I have started mining already. Before I started with the video, I wanted to make sure the site was legit, so I mined about 10,000 Litoshi and I withdrew it. I will show it to you shortly. There it is. It took me less than an hour to mine and withdraw that amount. So if you are patient enough, you can make a lot out of these sites. And also don't forget to link your email address. As you can see, you can withdraw only once a day, so be patient to reach a decent amount before withdrawing. Please subscribe, like and comment down below because it motivates me to make more videos like this. The minimum withdrawal limit for this site is 10,000 Litoshi, so when you reach the amount, you can withdraw it by clicking on the withdraw button and follow the prompt, and you are good to go. I have already withdrawn once today, so I can't until tomorrow, but the process is quite simple. Hit the withdrawal button, click confirm, and wait for the faucet to be transferred into your account. As I said, there are packages here that can increase your earnings. The basic version goes for a cool 0.25 Litecoin and would make you 0.05 a day. So within a week, you would be making 0.35 Litecoin. This is all I have for today. See you in the next one. Bye.